Hello everyone, my name is Suhaili. I will present about my journal. The subject of my journal is Object-Oriented Analysis Design for Vocational Graduate Search Application using UML Modeling. This topic usually used for bullet in web. Before we bullet web, we can do analysis with flow, and the flow we can create in diagram. For example, UML modeling. In this focus, I create for UML diagram. The first diagram is class diagram and activity diagram, use case diagram, and the last sequence diagram. In the case is tracer study. In tracer study, usually people useful for we can now trace SMK or student vocational graduate, where they are after graduate school, such as any work seeking or work seeker, or any have worked, or they can be entrepreneurship, or they are next in study. And research methods, the first I do require analysis, and then design of system and implementation with create code, and testing of program and implementation of program use user by user. This is diagram research method. Start in collect of data, and we can do analysis in UML diagram. In this my research, I just use for UML diagram, use case diagram, activity diagram, class diagram, and sequence diagram. The next step is design UI UX or graphic user interface, and then next step is programming until testing and finish. This is same with diagram left. This is flowchart. Flowchart start until finish for flow in using application of tracer study. Before we create UML diagram, we can determine in table how many actor of recruitment. In this case, I have two actor. The first actor is respondents, and the second actor is admin. Respondent is vocational student who have graduated from school and are already working or continuing education or are entrepreneurship independently. And actor of admin is the person who has the task of making a list of prospective alumni respondents and submitting the results of the recapitulation of filling out the tracer study questionnaire by alumni respondents. And then we also can determine use case. Use case same is activity. How actor can do anything in application. We must determine. In this case, I have 19 use case. Any validation, login, logout, managing tracer study, filling out the tracer study questionnaire, displaying a poll recapitulation, managing period, managing respondents data, managing admin account, adding period, changing period, deleting period, showing period, looking for a period, adding respond data, changing respondent, deleting respond data, displaying respond data, finding respond data. And after we create this table, we can create a use case diagram. This use case diagram in two actor, and then any several activity in any 19 use case. Okay, and then we can create activity diagram. In this case, I have three outline. The first, activity diagram of managing period and respondents, and the second, activity diagram of viewing polls. This is a flow activity. Okay, right? And the last, in three outline diagram of activity, I create activity diagram of filling tracer study questionnaire. After I create activity diagram, I create class diagram, and then I create sequence diagram. In sequence diagram, useful to we can now in time when we use this application. Okay, in this sequence diagram, I have three outline, same with activity diagram. The first, sequence diagram managing periods and respondents, and the second, sequence diagram showing polls, and the last, sequence diagram filling out the questionnaire. These three outline is following with activity diagram. If activity diagram any three outline, so we must create three outline in sequence diagram. Conclusion, in This research has direct benefit, namely helping the process of developing a trace study application life cycle, especially as an initial design before the system implementation stage, namely coding. And the indirect benefit is as a tool for mapping the absorption of student graduates in industry. Okay, thank you very much for coming in my presentation. See you again.